Did you know that history's first propaganda campaign was created by a pharaoh who nearly died in battle? In 1274 BC, Rameses II marched his army toward the city of Kadesh to fight the Hittites, but he fell for fake intelligence that said the enemy was far away. Suddenly, Hittite war chariots came charging out of nowhere. Rameses was completely surrounded. His army panicked and ran away, leaving their pharaoh to die. Only his personal bodyguards saved him from being captured or killed. This should have been remembered as a terrible defeat. But Rameses had other plans. He covered temple walls across Egypt with giant carvings showing himself single-handedly crushing thousands of enemies. He commissioned epic poems about how the gods helped him win. The art showed him trampling dead Hittite soldiers under his chariot wheels. But the Hittites kept records too. Their tablets tell a completely different story, of Egyptian soldiers running away in terror. Here's the biggest clue that Rameses was lying. Just 15 years later, he signed history's first peace treaty with the same Hittites he claimed to have destroyed.